Hi, everybody. Welcome back. We are going to start our new unit this week. The theme of our unit is going to be sculpture. I'm just taking a quick second here to look over our daily checklist. You are still in this section here now, where we just completed a check in and you are about to watch a welcome video, which you are watching right this second, okay? The welcome video can be found on slide number 2, the slide with the blue background. So make sure that you watch this whole video from start to finish because you have your very first challenge that I'm going to give you in this video and kind of model it for you. So this week we're going to be working with sculpture. So the first thing I want you to do today is I want you to research about a sculpture or sculptor, the person who makes the sculpture, from a country of your choice. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head over to the internet and I'm going to start looking some stuff up. The first thing you want to do is you want to pick your country. I think I'm going to pick Japan. So I'm going to put Japanese sculptures into the Google search bar. I could also look up things like famous Japanese sculptors. I could look up sculptures from Japan. You have to think about sort of the way you want to plug this into the internet. There's different ways you can search, okay? And I'm just going to take a few minutes here, maybe 3 or 4 minutes, and I'm just going to look through some of the examples that I see. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see if I can figure out the style. Is there a style that you can kind of see throughout a lot of these sculptures? Are there themes? Can you imagine why somebody would make something like this? What I'm going to also warn you about is that using the internet can be, oh my gosh, look at this. Using the internet can be a little scary sometimes. Sometimes we don't know what we're going to find. If you find a sculpture that makes you uncomfortable, if you find a sculpture that has violence or nudity or something that you don't think is appropriate, I'm going to ask you to either ignore it. Oh, this is a cool one. Japanese sculptures made from rice. Wow. I'm going to ask you to ignore it, or I'm going to ask you to message me so that we can talk about it, okay? But this is it. This is your first challenge. I want you to take a few minutes here and I want you to research sculptures or sculptors from a country of your choice. All right, go ahead and get started now, and then you can move on to another part of your checklist.